Hiking in the Inca Trail. Accessible. Reachable, easy to get.
Adventurous. Daring, willing to try new or dangerous activities.
Archeologist. A person who studies ancient cultures.
Ceremonial. Related to traditional or formal practices.
Construct. To build. Draw. To attract, pull.
Imagination. The ability to think creatively, form pictures in the mind.
Institute. To start, put in place.
Luxury. Something expensive and desirable but unnecessary.
Marvel. A wonderful thing.
Mystery. Something strange, unknown, or difficult to understand.
Native. Original to a place.
Network. A system of various parts that work together.
Pertain. To be related to something.
Precisely. Exactly. Preserve. To protect, save.
Restriction. Official limit on something.
Site. Place.
Spectacular. Wonderful to see.
Upside. Advantage, good part.
The Inca Trail provides one way to gain access to Machu Picchu.
The train from Cusco increases accessibility to Machu Picchu.
Fewer people can access the site because the trip has become so expensive.
Machu Picchu is accessible by plane, train, or hiking.
Machu Picchu is inaccessible except by plane, train, or hiking.
Our trip to Machu Picchu was a great adventure. We felt like modern-day adventurers.
We adventured into places where few people visit.
Adventurous people enjoy hiking in the Andes Mountains.
We hiked adventurously over tall peaks and steep cliffs.
An archaeologist is interested in ancient cultures.
The field of archaeology has taught us a great deal about the ancient world.
Machu Picchu is one of the most visited archaeological sites in the world.
Hiring porters to carry your equipment on a hiking trip is quite a luxury.
After returning from a week of hiking in the mountains, we luxuriated in the comfort of our beds.
A simple bed felt luxurious after a week-long hiking trip.
We dined luxuriously on champagne and chocolate.
Restrictions are necessary to preserve the environment.
The government restricts large numbers of people from entering the area.
The rules may seem restrictive, but they are meant to protect the area.
The blocks were fitted together with great precision.
Archaeologists have many theories but few precise ideas about the ceremonial functions of Machu Picchu.
We arrived at the site at precisely 5 o'clock.